There are two main ways to curve text in Photoshop. One is to generate a shape and set text to go along that shape, and the other way is to distort text by setting the warp option. So first, let's go to the toolbar and click on the ellipse tool. Then set fill to empty and stroke to empty. Now in the viewport, hold left click and Alt and create an ellipse. Next, click on text, and if you hover along the path of the ellipse, you will see that the cursor changes, indicating that we can set text along the path. Let's click there and type curved text. Next, let's click on the pen tool, and by holding Ctrl, this will let us set the start and the end of our text. So let's click and hold and move the start, and the left arrow indicates the end, so let's hold Ctrl and set the end. Next thing that we are going to do is hide the curved text and click on the ellipse. Next, let's click on text and click on the path and type curved text again. Now let's click on the pen tool, and this time hold Ctrl but pull inside the ellipse. This will set the text inside the ellipse. And we can also hold Ctrl and set the start and the end of our text. Now if we set visible the first text, we will see that we can have text inside and outside of the curve of the ellipse. The other method to distort the text in Photoshop is to create a text then go to Edit, Transform, and Warp. And now we see the properties appear. If we click on None and Arc, this will let us curve the text. So let's hide that, and let's click on the text again and type curved text. Now if we do the same thing, you can also use the shortcut Ctrl-T that will go into the transform mode, click right click and warp. Now let's do the same thing, set the arc. And let's say that we want the curved text to go on the opposite side. So instead to curve up, let's curve down. So there's two ways to do this. So you can click on this square here and move it down and curve the text, but this is pretty imprecise. And the other way that you can do is type a value in bend, and let's type 50, which is exactly opposite of our first text. And this is the two main ways to curve text in Photoshop. To more easily create circle text in Photoshop, you can use this section by Photoshop Supply. I will leave the download link in the description. First open up the .zip folder, then double click on .atn file. After that, go to Photoshop, click on Window and Actions. In the Actions panel, you can see the folder named Circle Text by Photoshop Supply. Open it and click on the action. When you click play, the circle text will automatically be generated. Now, if we double click on text, we can edit it. This has been the three useful methods on how to create curved and circle text in Photoshop.